stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Hey guys, jdevinci here. Makeup is already done because today we are actually running late when it comes to brunch. Today I'm going to brunch. I know I've done a ton of hair videos, but a ton of you guys have subscribed to my channel due to hair videos and you guys have been asking for more. So I got you guys. Today's video we're actually going to be reviewing Elfin Hair. Today we're going to be installing a 5x5 closure wig. I've never installed a closure wig before. Fingers crossed that this goes well. Don't really know what to expect, but let me show you guys everything that comes in the box. So I love how these companies give you like a ton of stuff. You get a wig cap, you know, telling you about their product, eyelashes, and to be honest, these are super cute. Mink little lashes, definitely can rock them. I've got so many of these now. Little edges brush, instructions on how to care for your wig. If you're new, if you're a beginner and don't know how to care for your wig, I act like I have all this time in the world to talk. And then we have a comb. So let me show you guys what the wig looks like, just straight out of the package. This is what the inside looks like. You got your closure, you've got straps to make it glueless, which I am gonna do because today we are not gonna be doing too much when it comes to the wig install. I wanna keep it very easy and beginner friendly. I did not bleach the knots. This is 12 inches of hair, and let's just hop into the video. I would have 110% tell you to bleach your knots, but since we're not bleaching our knots, we're gonna just go in with our powder at the hairline because this is really nice lace, and I'm not even like going ham when it comes to customizing the lace. So we're gonna take it by section. So as you guys can see, this wig is still scalpy. I would highly recommend that you bleach your knots. You will just be a happier camper with your knots bleached, but since we don't have the time to do that, we are going to go in with our little wax stick our hair down. So low-key guys, I love how silky the hair is, like just straight out of the package. It's really nice, it's really silky. It's definitely bomb. The hair is bomb. So if you're intimidated by wig, I think a closure wig will probably be your best bet. I am just over here trying to get it as smooth and flat as I possibly can. You guys, this hair is silky. As of right now, we are headed in the direction of a middle part. You guys, I'm really enjoying the texture of this hair. It's such a nice, fine texture, you know what I mean? Do I think that this is a nice throw on wig? I do. I wish that I would have bleached the knots. Definitely a wig you can just throw on and go. I don't feel like it's going anywhere. The hair is just so silky. So what I'm gonna do now is just brush in my powder to the front, because like I said, I did not bleach the knots. This is just going to help it look a little more natural. And then we are also going to, and I'm gonna do it messily because I really want you to be able to see it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. We're going to heavily, and then after that, I'm going to kind of like take a wipe and just wipe it. So guys, this is what the hair turned out looking like. I actually was able to slip it behind my ear, but I still had to pull hair in front of it. I love how silky smooth this unit is. I actually didn't do much to it. I literally cut the lace off, parted it down the middle, put some wax on the hair, and then I ended up, you know, flat ironing it out, like bumping it out. I think that this is such a beginner friendly wig. I've never really worked with a closure wig before, so I didn't know what to expect. As you guys know, I don't have any hair, I'm bald, and when it comes to being able to put it up in a ponytail, as you guys can see, I could, but I don't have any sideburns or anything like that. I would have to create some by cutting some out of the side tracks, which to me is a lot of work. So I wouldn't necessarily have this wig as a wig that I'd put in a ponytail. This would be more of my need to look cute, real fast, throw it on and go type of wig. Like I said, I do think that bleaching the knots is going to take this wig so it's gonna elevate the wig so much, because these knots are really black. The hair is black. I was able to finesse the wig and make it look super cute because, as you guys know, I'm headed out to lunch. I decided that I needed to kind of do a little outro for you guys just so you guys can know my thoughts on this unit. But I got a 12 inch. I think that this 12 inch is super cute. It's definitely Bob vibes. So the longest inch is 12, and then I think it might go up. But I think that this hair is really nice. The con that I don't like is right here in this area where the that little elastic band is, it kind of makes it bulky. Just on this side though. This side is nice and smooth, but this side is bulky due to the let me see if there's a way that I can, like, is it me? So the only way to kind of alleviate what I'm saying right now is by simply removing the elastic altogether. Other than that, I've never tried a 5x5 wig, and I'm here for it. I never knew that I was missing this in my life because it's literally just so easy. Like, if you're a working mom, the last thing you want to do is worry about your hair. This is a unit that you can go on, throw on, and go out of the door, and I think that that's super cool. I do have a ton of wigs coming up, all human hair wigs. I no longer like do synthetic wigs. I just don't like synthetic hair. Like, I can make synthetic hair look so nice, but it's only gonna last me for like a week, and I don't have time to be wasting my money on synthetic wigs, you know what I mean? Human hair wigs from here on out, I will try to piggyback from glueless wigs to non-glueless wigs. As you guys know, I didn't glue this wig down at all, so I can take this off, I can put it back on, and I don't feel like it's going anywhere, you know what I mean? Like, unless somebody is walking around snatching your wig off, then of course you're gonna have something to worry about. But when it comes to like my everyday, if I wore this to work, I would not be afraid that this was going to fall off my head, you know what I mean? But what I want to stress to you guys is this hair texture is so nice. It's so silky, and it's like such a nice texture hair. Like, I haven't had black hair, like silky black hair, that has really stayed silky, and it's just so nice. It holds a curl well, so if you want to go on ahead and curl this whole head up, you definitely could. But the only con that I have is that this one side is bulky, minus the fact that you can take it off if you wanted to, and I think that it would alleviate the bulkiness. I do like Elfin Hair. I love the fact that these companies give you goodies in the box. That just makes my day, and I think that you would be a happy camper, but you would have to bleach your knots to make the wig just be that much more loving to you, you know what I mean? Like, for you to actually love the wig, not feel self-conscious about your knots. Mind you, I don't care. I think that my knots look damn good, but if I would have bleached the knots, they would have looked that much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. I rambled. People are outside honking the horn at me because they're ready for me to go, and I just felt like I needed to sit down and talk to you and let you guys know that I genuinely like this 5x5 wig with the closure. I've never had one before, never thought that I needed one, but I think that these closure wigs are low-key kind of cool. Very easy to manipulate, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video because I gotta go. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.